If you've ever tried draining pasta with one hand while holding a hot, slippery pot lid with the other, and nearly burned yourself in the process, you already know how frustrating a simple cooking task can get. That's exactly the kind of everyday kitchen headache this pot is trying to fix. Today, we're looking at the Gotham Steel 5-quart stainless steel stock pot with strainer lid and twist and lock handles, a multi-purpose pasta pot that's been getting a lot of attention for combining multiple tools into one. It's designed for home cooks who want less mess, fewer tools, and a safer, more streamlined cooking experience, especially if you cook pasta, rice, or soups regularly. Right out of the box, the design feels more practical than flashy, and that's a good thing. It has a clean stainless steel finish that looks at home in most kitchens without trying too hard to stand out. The pot feels solid in hand, not overly heavy, but definitely not flimsy either. The handles are where things get interesting. They're built with a twist and lock mechanism that actually clicks into place when you're ready to strain. That small detail immediately makes it feel more secure compared to balancing a loose lid. The lid itself has two different straining hole sizes, which sounds minor but becomes surprisingly useful when switching between pasta and smaller grains like rice. Overall, it feels like something built for daily use rather than occasional cooking experiments. When you actually start cooking with it, the convenience factor becomes obvious pretty quickly. Boiling pasta is straightforward, but the real difference comes when it's time to drain. Instead of reaching for a colander, you just twist the handles to lock the lid in place and pour the water out. It feels controlled and safe, and you don't get that awkward shifting lid moment. For people who cook in smaller kitchens or hate washing extra dishes, this alone is a big win. Heat distribution is another area where this pot performs reliably. Because it's stamped from a single sheet of steel, the heat spreads evenly across the base, so you don't get random hot spots burning your food. Whether you're simmering soup or cooking rice, it maintains a steady temperature without constant adjustment. It also works well on induction cooktops, which adds flexibility if your kitchen setup changes. In terms of everyday usability, it's pretty low maintenance. The interior coating is designed to handle metal utensils, which means you don't have to baby it while cooking. Cleanup is just as simple. Being dishwasher safe makes it easy to toss it in and move on, especially after a long cooking session. That said, hand washing will still help maintain its finish longer if you care about keeping it looking new. Now, it's not perfect. The twist and lock handles, while useful, can take a couple of tries to get used to. The first few times you use them, you might double check whether they're fully locked before draining. Also, at 5 quarts, it's great for small to medium portions, but if you're cooking for a large family or hosting, you might find yourself wishing for a bigger size. And while the all-in-one design is convenient, some people still prefer a separate colander for absolute control. Compared to other pots in this price range, most standard stock pots don't include a built-in strainer lid at all. You're usually buying separate pieces, which adds cost and clutter. Some premium cookware brands offer better finishing or heavier builds, but they don't necessarily match this level of convenience. This pot sits in a practical middle ground. It's not luxury cookware, but it solves a real problem better than most basic options. So, who is this actually for? If you cook pasta often, have limited kitchen space, or just want to simplify your cooking routine, this makes a lot of sense. It's also great for beginners who want something easy and safe to use without juggling multiple tools. On the other hand, if you're an advanced cook who prefers traditional setups or needs larger capacity cookware, this might feel a bit limiting. At the end of the day, this is one of those products that isn't trying to reinvent cooking. It's just trying to make it easier, safer, and a little less messy. And for a lot of people, that's exactly what matters. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description where you can see the latest price and reviews. And if this kind of honest, practical review helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing. There's more coming that actually respects your time and your kitchen.